What kind of activities would you recommend for desk jockeys? This is one of the most prevalent type of job people have today, is sitting at their desk playing with computers. So what should they do? Should they do intensive exercises, yoga, whatever? In what spectrum?
No, that's far too random. It has to be
random.
much more precise than that. So if the person already has pain, in the book, I take each person through a self-assessment of their pain. They perform, is it 9 tests? You translated the book into Slovenian, so you know the material very well yourself. But we take the person through a self-assessment of their pain, and it will show them what very precisely is causing their pain, whether it's a bend, or it's a nerve tension, or it's compression, or it's shear through their back. And then based on their pain trigger, we then show them how to move in ways that doesn't trigger the pain. Now, back pain is very curious. You don't get used to it. You actually become more sensitized to it the more you trigger the symptoms. So the trick is to avoid the pain trigger, and the pain winds down and desensitizes.